Sourish, and today we're gonna see the HTML definitions. So let's start. Also, guys, I want to just say one thing, guys, that this is the remake of my all videos that I make. So if you just saw that every videos are deleted because I'm making a remake of my whole HTML tutorials series. If this series HTML tutorial remake doesn't look nice, please comment below and say me is this video nice or not. Also, guys, this is also some. If you want, so I'm also gonna learn more. Say simply to some people who are small, some people who are child. I could try. I will try to say them nicely and simply. I'm gonna try to say simply. So today we are going to learn HTML definitions. Let's start now. What is HTML? Why it is used? First developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990, HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to create electronic documents called pages that are displayed on the World Wide Web. So the World Wide Web was the first one which was web. So there were no search engines in that time. There were only the search engines which had there was a search engine called the World Wide Web search engine. I don't know is that only the correct one, but there only you could search all the web pages. So here only HTML is used to make World Wide Web documents called pages also. Each page contains a series of connections to other pages called hyperlinks. So hyperlinks meaning is that if you don't want know hyperlinks, guys, so hyperlinks, the meaning of hyperlinks is that hyperlinks meaning is clicking on a link. If you get a link on a website like Google, if you search on a Google something and you get some result and you click on the result, and Google is also made by HTML only. From there you get a hyperlink. You are transferred to another website to go, and this is only called hyperlink. Every web page you see on the internet is written using one version of HTML code or another. HTML code ensures that the proper formatting of texts and images for your internet browser. Without HTML, a browser would not know how to display text as elements or load or other elements. HTML also provides a basic structure of the page. So if you want to see HTML, I'm going to just make that again. Also, I have deleted all of my videos, and if you want to see the videos, sorry, I have deleted them. And I will also make a remake of my all videos. I will make a remake. While cascading style sheets are overlaid to change its appearance, one could think of HTML as the bones of a web page and CSS at its skin. So this appearance and structure is like what can I say, guys? Like HTML are the bones and CSS is the skin. The appearance. HTML is a maker. Like what can I say, guys? Like human body also I can say. Human bodies are made by bones, but the skin is making our appearance. So that's why it's called the structure, which is made by HTML, the bones of HTML, and the appearance is made by CSS. So if you want to like get the HTML color change to red, background color to red, or if you want also, if you learned JavaScript, it could just be like JavaScript is a brain which makes it move. Like it can make animations also. CSS also can make an animation, but JavaScript is the brain, I think. Brain. So next one, next slide, let's see. So is HTML important to learn? It's widely used and supported by all web browsers. HTML is an easy language to learn and use. Essentially, essentially, a working knowledge of HTML is useful not only for web developers but also for marketing specialists, designers, and content creators. Because these jobs frequently require you to optimize landing pages and web pages. But why HTML? HTML, hypertext markup language, also known as, is the code that is used to structure a web page. And its content, for example, content could be structured with a set of paragraphs, a list of bulleted points, or used images and data templates tables. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can make the form tag. Then also I'll show you how you can make table tag, and more I'll show you how you can do. So first, also this is the remake of the one. So first we are gonna see how is HTML defined. Here we are seeing what is HTML. This is really important to learn because this is the thing that you need to understand first. So next slide, let's see. Can you get jobs from HTML? While HTML and CSS skills can land you or job opportunities, build personal websites, they can also make it possible for you to get paid customizing salience blogs on platforms like Tumblr. So this is only the one, guys. You could make a blog with your HTML. Also, guys, here we have searched on Google. Some of them don't think these are really real. These could be wrong also. You could get jobs if you want to. Also, you could just make your personal website and could get money, get money, or no, could not also. But customize your site customizing your client's blog. So if you don't know, guys, customizing client's blog is being a professional in HTML and CSS. Like if you go to wix.com, I'll show you wix.com. Where is it? So I could just if you click on start now, you should get to here. So I'm gonna just go to wix.com here. Wix.com. And here you should see here hire a professional. You can also get a job like this called hire a professional. He will just do all of the HTML structure and do everything for us, and he could just click if you want also. You need to first pay for him. So this is the client one. So clients, customizing client's website. So here you can see if you click on hire a professional, a person will come and do a lot of HTML and CSS to your site. He could also know JavaScript, but anyways, but he will do everything, and then you will get famous or anything. But you need to give money to anyone you need to do. So if you click on hire a professional, you need to give money. So also you could also do that job. That job is not that. I don't know how do you get that job, but you could see that after. What is the best year to learn? What is the best year to start coding? So if you're small, like if you're small, like 4 years here, you could start coding. Yeah, coding, but not HTML coding. I'm saying Game Lab. Game Lab is from Code.org. If you just search Code.org, I'll show you Code.org. Code.org. So go here, you click on start learning, submit your English. If you know English, like me, submit English. You can just start with anything. If you want also, you can just start with Telugu if you don't know English. And click on submit, click on start learning. it should take you to this. Click on sign in and click on continue with Google, or sign in with your web name or website, anything. Click on continue with Google. I'm gonna just pause my video and continue with Google. I'll click on. After that's done, guys, you can see mine is done. You will not be here, not like this. I think this is wrong. Okay, I don't know why is it taking me here. Yeah, here we are. So we are signed in. You can see I have made some app lab ones. So don't go to app lab first. Also, you need to go to. You can just like see everything here. I think it's the artist. Where is it? View project. Let's click on. Really should be the game lab one. Don't know that. Okay, so you should need to click on that full. Hide full list not, put that to the here, then go here to game lab. Where's game lab? Okay, so you can see here we have this Browns game, which is here. If you can want also, you can just click on anything that you want. Also we have web lab, so if you don't want to make a computer, you could just make a web lab here only. That is new. I did not saw that anytime, guys. This is my first time seeing that. And also here are all of the activities that you can do, like you can also make a bounce game, dance party game, Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird is also here. You need to click on here. HTML again back. Why is it easier to learn at a young age? University of Oxford scientists say that adults may find learning more difficult than children because their brains store memories differently. Experts said younger brains may learn things more easily, but older brains may store information more efficiently. So that's the thing that here we can see. Let's. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Sourish Tech Savvy, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and share, guys, this video. If you like this video, please like the video. And if you want more videos like this, comment below. See you next time.